Hey guys, it's Gina back here today to talk to you about TUMS. Listen, this is my favorite antacid that I carry around. I'm in my car right now and I saw these and I thought, I've never shared about these. So I will tell you how these are different. A lot of antacids are kind of chalky tasting, but look at these. These are literally like popping, I almost want to say like a fruit snack or something, a gummy in your mouth. And they are actually pretty tasty. These are the Chewy assorted bites. I'm sorry, assorted berries, and they have 750 milligrams of calcium in them. Really, that's what I eat them for. More is for the calcium intake than I do for like actually an upset stomach, because it's a great source of me to get extra calcium. But if you're looking for a nice on-the-go antacid for your stomach, or you're looking for that extra calcium, I would highly recommend you check out these TUMS chewables. They're tasty, and I really think you'll like them. This is another great find. I'll see you on the next one.